Hello everyone, today's video I have Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. I'm going to show you how to bypass, unlock, remove FRP of this phone. In this case, we are going to use computer for today's video. For your information, we used to do it online, remote. First, you need to put this phone into a Mi Assistant. To do that, click power button and the volume up button. Here we go. It's on a Mi account. And insert a cap and wait for the process. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video, and just wait for some minutes, some seconds. Right away the process will be done. Don't forget that we used to do it we used to do it on a remote. If you have your phone Redmi 14 Pro Plus 5G, this is the right place to do your process. Right away, after the process, the phone will reboot. As you can see, the phone reboot. As you can see, just next, accept and next, ignore. As you can see it, ignore. It's done, guys. As you can see, then thank you for watching. See you another video. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like this video. If you want any help, we are online. We can help you. Thank you. See you another video.